Hello sir, this is N. Shivkumar from Information Technology branch. I am from B section and my roll number is 22951A 1286 and the tech topic subject is Object Oriented Programming Language, which is Java, and my topic is Object Oriented Parallelization of Java Desktop Program. Introduction to Object Oriented Parallelism of Java Desktop Program. Object Oriented Parallelization is a technique used to improve performance by dividing the program into smaller tasks that can be executed simultaneously. Means OOP is a technique used to improve performance. It is used to improve performance by dividing the program into smaller tasks that can be executed simultaneously. Java, being an object-oriented programming language, allows for easy implementation of parallelization technique. Parallelization in Java desktop programs can be significantly speed up the execution time and enhance user experience. It enhances user experience. Object-oriented programming explained. A person, which is superclass, subclasses are his behavior, attributes and behavior, patient, physician. Benefits of object-oriented parallelization in Java desktop programs. Improved performance as tasks are executed concurrently, reducing overall execution time. Enhanced responsiveness as parallel execution allows for better utilization of system resources. Simplified code maintenance and readability by dividing complex tasks into smaller manageable units. Understanding object-oriented parallelization in Java. Parallelization in Java involves dividing the program into multiple threads that execute concurrently. Each thread represents a separate unit of execution capable of running in parallel with other threads. Objects and classes in Java can be designed to be thread safe, allowing for safe and efficient parallel execution. Design patterns for object-oriented parallelization. The producer-consumer pattern is commonly used in parallel programming, where one or more threads produce data and others consume it. The fork join patterns is used when a task can be divided into smaller subtasks that can be executed independently and then joined back together. The master worker pattern involves a master thread delegating tasks to worker threads and collecting the results. Design patterns, creational factory method, builder, abstract factory, singleton, structural, adapter, decorator, packet, proxy, behavioral, observer, strategy, command, state, chain of responsibility, and visitor. Implementing object-oriented parallelization in Java. Implementing object-oriented parallelization in Java. Java provides java.util.concurrent package which includes classes and interface for implementing parallelism. For implementing parallelism, there is some package concurrent which is java.utl.concurrent package. The executor framework provides a high-level interface for managing executed tasks in parallel. The fork join pool class allows for efficient execution of fork join tasks. Iterable collection, list, queue, set. These are some how implementation is occurs parallelization in Java. Best practices for object oriented parallelization in Java. Careful synchronization and coordination of shared resources is a crucial to avoid race conditions and data inconsistencies. Proper workload distribution among threads can ensure optimal utilization of system resources. Effective error handling and exception management are essential for maintaining program integrity. Performance considerations in object oriented parallelization. Over associated with thread creation and synchronization can impact performance. Load balancing and workload distribution play a crucial role in achieving efficient parallel execution. Profiling and performance monitoring tools can help identify bottlenecks and optimize parallel execution. Accept con- multi-process web servers, multi-process MP challenges, challenges and limitations of object-oriented parallelization in Java. Designing thread-safe code can be complex and error-prone. Scalability issues may arise when parallelizing certain computation due to memory constraints or dependencies. Debugging and troubleshooting parallel programs can be challenging and required specialized skills and tools. Case studies of object oriented parallelization in Java desktop programs. Example 1, parallel image processing in a photo editing application where filters are applied to different parts of the images simultaneously. Example 2, parallel parsing and analysis of large XML files in a data processing application, improving overall processing speed. Parallel simulation of complex algorithms in scientific computing applications, reducing execution time. Object oriented programming features. Classes are templates for objects. Classes define properties and methods which dictate and which dictate the state and behavior of the resulting software object. Data and related functions are contained within the same object. Space encapsulation. Classes can be extended by creating subclasses which have similar properties and behaviors, which is also called inheritance. Polymorphism. Inherited behaviors can be modified or overridden to change the way an object responses to common messages. These three characterizations of OOP are often referred to as the object oriented paradigm. Conclusion. Object oriented parallelization in desktop programs offers significant performance improvements and enhanced user experience. Careful design, implementation and maintenance are necessary to ensure thread safety and optimal utilization of system resources. With proper understanding and implementation, object oriented parallelization can transform the performance of Java desktop programs. Here is one thing that benefits. There are some benefits of an object oriented parallelization in desktop Java programs. Improves performance as task executed concurrently and reducing overall execution time. Enhanced responsiveness as parallel execution allows for better utilization system resources. Simplified code maintenance and readability by dividing complex tasks. We see again implementing object oriented parallelization in Java. Java provides the package java.udl.concurrent package, which includes classes and interface for implementing parallelization. The executor framework provides a high-level interface for managing and executing tasks in parallel. The fork join pool class allows for efficient execution of fork join tasks. And thank you. And, finally, the conclusion is object-oriented parallelization in desktop programs offers significant performance improves and enhanced user experience. Careful design, implementing, and maintain are necessary to ensure thread safety and optimal utilization of system resources. With proper understanding and implementation, object-oriented parallelization can transform the performance of Java desktop programs. Okay, thank you. Thank you.